85-year-old Pina lives in Frigentini in the Modica area of Sicily.
Sono Pina da Frigentini. Devo preparare le pastieri, le cassate e le impanate.
She's sharing the dishes she makes for Easter Sunday lunch. First, she makes a large quantity of dough. This is 2.5 kilos of durum wheat flour, or semola rimacinata. It's from a local mill, and the wheat variety is called Russello. Pina makes a well and pours in some hot, salted water into the middle. Meanwhile, husband 91-year-old Pino comes in to see what's happening. Pina forms a dough. Daughter Concetta adds about 100 ml of olive oil to the mixture. Then Pina cracks in 2 eggs and scrambles them before continuing to mix the flour into the liquid.
Basta. Gli devi scagliare a mano.
Eventually, she has a huge lump of dough. She cuts it in half and gives one to Concetta for more efficient kneading. Pina knows to keep out the way.
Come va Pina? Cominci a essere...
Bene, tutto bene.
Scanaduri, quanti anni hai?
Io non 40 anni.
40 anni? Te l'hanno regalato?
Una zia mia. Quindi una mattina sveglia, devo regalare una cosa. Ma che mi ha portato questo scanato.
Once the dough is smooth, the ladies place the 2 pieces into plastic bags and leave them to rest while they make the first of their pie fillings.
Adesso preparo i pastieri con tutti gli ingredienti. Sale, peperone, prezzemolo, un po' di riso, uova, formaggio e basta così.
Quello è il riso bollito?
Sì, riso bollito, un cucchiaino di riso bollito che viene più morbido.
Viene più morbido.
Pina is making pastieri, minced beef filled pasties.
Prezzemolo.
Beef is popular in the region as it has its own breed of cow called the Modicana, and here's a herd in the Madonia Mountains. Back in Pina's kitchen, she's adding salt, chopped parsley, garlic, boiled rice, which makes the mixture lighter, breadcrumbs called mollica, caciocavallo cheese, chili flakes, and 6 eggs in total. Pina uses her hands to squish everything together.
Un po' di olio, se gli metto.
Sì, te lo porta.
Un po' di olio, ci mettiamo.
Concetta adds a little olive oil. Soon Pina has a soft, smooth but not too sticky mixture.
Si mangia a Pasqua questo piatto? Anche in altre occasioni o solo a Pasqua?
No, lo può fare sempre.
No,
sempre. Quando una vuole.
La tradizione è pasquale, proprio Pasqua. Pasqua si fanno però quando vuoi, proprio l'impanata di carne o di agnello è per Pasqua.
Quella là.
Questa qua. proprio Pasqua. Poi le pastiere li puoi fare durante l'anno, li puoi fare tranquillamente. Però la tradizione di Pasqua è impanata, pastieri, cassate di ricotta e quelle ora quelle a parlombello, sì.
Adesso preparo
Il ripieno.
l'ingrediente per le impanate.
Next, she makes the filling for the impanate. These are bigger pies than pastieri. This is cubed veal. Lamb is an alternative. Pina adds salt, parsley and olive oil. Plenty of chopped garlic, black pepper and chili flakes. Pina mixes everything together so that the meat is well coated. She puts it to one side to marinate for half an hour.
Adesso prepariamo il ripieno per le cassatine. Ok?
Next, she turns her attention to the third of the pies that she's making. These are sweet pastries called cassatine, which are filled with ricotta. And this is cow's milk ricotta. Pina adds plenty of cinnamon, sugar and 2 eggs. She beats these together. There are 3 fillings for 3 very different types of pie, and they're now ready.
Buonissimo, preciso. Troppo dolce no. Apposta.
Pina's friend Zuda has arrived.
Come stai?
Va bene, tu come stai?
Discretamente, tu come stai? Ok.
Mettiamo a dire.
Apposta.
Metti che ancora appunto la ripiena in terra, è una cosa buona.
Pina first makes the impanata.
Mamma, che vuoi?
Alla natura facciamo già impanata.
Alla natura?
Se non mi pare che...
Pina rolls out 2 discs of dough, one slightly larger than the other. The bigger is used as the base. She piles the veal mixture into the middle, then lays the other disc on top and pinches and rolls the edges together to form a kind of frill. The dialect word for this sealing technique is called pizza canedi.
Oh, finalmente.
Pina, meanwhile, goes to the garage to set up the wood-burning oven. He starts with kindling wood and paper. The wood is grapevine trimmings. Zuda has been helping make another impanata with her own way of closing the edges. Pina coats the pie tops in olive oil.
Perché poi scassano quando sabe che scassano e si sciumpa la pasta. Invece che tutto si stava così la impanata.
In the old days, there used to be a communal oven, and the way that the ladies identified the edge or their own pies is from the way that they close the pies, the edges. So they're all a kind of signature of the cooks who made them. Next, Pina makes the pastieri. She stamps dough circles with an enamel bowl, which is about 12 centimeters in diameter. She places orange-sized pieces of the minced beef mixture into the centre of each, and then she pleats each one around the mixture to form something which looks like a pouch. The top is left open. Zuda joins in. Soon they have a tray of pastries ready to bake in the oven.
Al forno, conta e basta.
Ah, così e basta.
Lastly, they turn their attention to the cassatine. These are more like little tarts, and the pleat on the edge is different again. They are more like star flowers in appearance, with sweet ricotta in their centre.
Ma Zuda, quando si fanno queste? Quando si fanno
E che?
i palummette?
Quando si fanno? A Pasqua.
E perché si fanno? Per fare che? Che da su?
Quando io ero nega, quando contavano i naghi, che cose. E poi andavamo una palombetta, non mettiamo un naga nella camera, ma ci facciamo palombetta e un pizzo, che ci può essere in questo pizzo. Ci può essere pane e vino, fa la zuppa al bambino. Il bambino non vuole, lo portiamo a terratò. Terratò non so figlia, lo portiamo a
sta figlia, com'è che ne?
Sta figlia ma confonde, va.
Zuda uses the leftover dough to make palumbelle. These were given to children before chocolate Easter eggs were a thing. Eggs are wrapped in dough and then decorated. This is a dove. The rest of the decoration is down to Zuda's imagination.
Benissimo.
Brava Zuda!
Mi piace, io non l'ho fatto questo.
Ok.
Come io facevo moda, non mi
Allora, and now we have-
She bastes it with a beaten egg for a lovely golden colour when it's baked. Meanwhile, Pina shakes a little more ground cinnamon over the top of the cassatine.
Brava Pina! Meraviglia!
And all the pies are now ready for baking. The ladies take them to the garage. Pina has created lots of lovely hot coals, which are spread into the back of the oven. Pina uses a paddle to put the pies onto the base of the oven. The big pies take around 50 minutes to cook, and of course the smaller ones take less. And the first one out of the oven is the palumbelle. And now lunch is ready. In the old days, meat was only eaten once or twice a year, and Easter is one of those occasions. Lunch lasts all afternoon.
Eccoci tutti! Alla Pasqua, e palummetta, e cassatelle, signora Pina. Azzuga, pancetta.
Pino is a happy husband. Everyone loves this generous spread. Happy Easter, everyone. Click subscribe for regular helpings of pasta grannies, and come back next week when Maria makes frittata di pasta.